In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out your calf muscle in a seated position. So all you need for this, and I'm going to be using a long resistance band, you just need something that's going to simulate exactly what I'm doing. So for example, this could be a belt, this could be a towel. You don't have to go out and buy one of these, it's just for the demonstration that I'm going to be showing. So in terms of where I want you to put the object that you're going to be using around the foot, you're not going to have it on the toes at all, and you're going to have it just underneath on the balls of the forefoot. Okay, so that's where I want the band or whatever you're using to be. You're going to place it around those balls of the forefoot, and then from here, once you come down and you're happy with your position, I want you to pull, but you're going to keep the band or whatever you're using down. So I'm not going to bring it up towards my head. It's in the position here. I've got my hands either side of my thighs, and I'm going to pull the band. And now I can start to feel the calf stretch. My toes and my ankle are starting to pull more into my direction. So if I take you back to the start where I was, I'm pulling. And you can see now I'm getting that stretch through the calf and also a little bit in my Achilles tendon as well. Once you've done this for your desired amount of seconds, you'll swap to the other side, slowly releasing the tension on the band. And that is how to do a seated calf stretch.